This is not just a pen, it's a spy cam pen. Wow. This is a functional pen with a tiny camera on it. I've used this pen for weeks, and I'm gonna show you real clips of this pen in action, so you can see exactly how the video looks and how the audio sounds, so you can judge it for yourself. And by the end of this video, I'm gonna let you know what I think about this pen and whether or not I think it's a good buy or not. So here's the packaging that came in, and if you look at the top, it says 4K photo and 2K video. So it takes photos and videos, and the packaging looks pretty solid. So let me open it up. So in the top left, what we have here is the pen holder. So you can basically put the pen in that pen holder, and it holds the pen on your desk or whatever. And next to that, you have, I think it's an adapter. Gives you different USB connections and iPhone connections to connect to your pen, to connect to, let's just say, a computer to transfer files. The next is a charger cable. So next to that, we have the SD card, which is a 64 gig, nice size. Right under that, we have the top of the pen, the next row. It's the top part of the pen. Next to that is the bottom part of the pen. And then next to that are pen cartridges. So those are basically to replace the actual pen if the ink goes out. So not only does it work as a spy cam, but it actually works as a pen. You can actually write with it. So how you assemble this pen, you take the SD card, which is a 64 gig as I stated before, and you're gonna stick it on the top, well, the bottom part of the top part of the pen. So on the bottom of the top part of the pen, there's a slot for the SD card. It slides right in there, as you can see. Next to that is the actual charging port. So that's how you would charge your pen. Now, once you install the SD card, you're gonna take the bottom part, which is the part that has the actual pen in it, and you just screw it on. Now, this is what it looks like when you write with that pen. This is what the pen writes like. So, excuse my handwriting because it's not the best. They say I got doctor's penmanship. I'm not gonna go with that, the way doctors write. So anyway, yeah, so this is how the pen writes. So if you look closer at this pen, you can actually see where the camera is. The camera is located right on the clip of the pen. So right there is where the camera is located. It's covered up by like this little tinted film. So it's very hard to see, which is great, you know, if you're trying to be discreet. So to activate the camera, you just hold that button at the top, probably for like 30 seconds, and you'll see this blue light start blinking. Once the blue light is solid, that means it's activated, and you can hold it again, and that turns off the camera. So now it's off. So here's a real live recording of me using the camera. So I'm picking up an Uber Eats order. So, you know, notice the video quality. It said it was 2K, but it don't look 2K to me. The audio quality, listen to it.
All right.
Before we get back to the video, did you know you can make over $200 a day just delivering food? I have created a system working with Uber Eats that has allowed me to make over $200 a day, working part-time, and the flexibility to work whenever I want to. And just to prove it, these are real amounts that I've made with Uber Eats just in one day. With over 10 years of experience and 7,000 trips under my belt, I have mastered the game of making money with Uber Eats. Uber Eats is available in over 500 cities. And when it comes down to getting paid, Uber pays you same day, instantly. You can make money part-time, full-time. So whether you need extra cash for a vacation, for the holidays, or just to pay a bill, Uber Eats is how you can make that happen. Whether you're new to Uber Eats or been in the game for years, this kit is packed with resources that will help you start earning a profit right away. Let's get that extra cash today. So what do I think about the spy pen? I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10 because overall I think it's decent. Could it be better? Absolutely. The video quality, even though it states it's 2K, that is not 2K. And not only that, the microphone to me is not of good quality. It just doesn't pick up well. Now on the plus side, this pen actually has a nice design. It looks very stylish, slick. It has a little weight to it, so it kind of feels like it's sturdy. So I feel like, you know, even if I dropped it once, it wouldn't break. And so I like that. Now would I recommend this pen? I would recommend this pen if this is the budget you're looking for, because this is very affordable. I'm talking about, I don't know if it was like in the 30s, somewhere around there. I mean, very affordable. Now, if you can find a better option, get it. So if you're looking to purchase this spy camera or a spy camera similar to this, definitely check out the link in the description below. It's going to take you to Amazon where you can purchase your camera. If you got value out this video, show some love and smash the subscribe, like, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.